Beep beep.
What's up, kids? Dad here. Took a deep dive into artificial intelligence and sort of what that means for everything. I took a little silly course and I just went down the rabbit hole because I'm interested in what's going on in that space. Took a deep dive into business opportunities, how businesses can create custom artwork, how Freelancer could create stock video footage and upload it to a multimedia platform. You could create promotional videos. I kind of like the data-driven marketing strategies. You could use AI to generate blog posts or marketing copy, or even make books and sell articles. The possibilities are kind of endless. There's always going to need a human hand to sort of sculpt that and mold that beginning nugget created by the AI. It needs that human touch to mold it into something useful. Let's talk about data-driven market analysis. This is going to access information data from all over the internet. You can use it to create in-depth reports and use it to create insights to your business across all kinds of industries. Marketing planning strategies. Say you're a small bakery. I can use the prompt, generate a marketing strategy for small bakeries Instagram. And it's going to spit out something that I can use almost immediately. Another thing I was looking at, who can I invest in, what companies down the road are probably going to be the big players in this. Think about smartphones. I mean, we have Apple, Google, and then you had BlackBerry, who was sort of the leader in that at one point, and they're not even in the game anymore. So AI, who's going to be the big people? And there's names that crop up: ChatGPT, OpenAI, DAL E was a big one at the beginning, creating images from AI. Mid-Journey, which I still have to explore. Which one of these ones is gonna be the big guy players later on? It's happening. It's unavoidable. So the growth in this industry is just insane. Now that I think of it, I should probably just ask AI who are going to be the biggest players in artificial intelligence in the next 10 years. They would probably generate me a pretty accurate report. Another fact that they touched on is for small businesses streamlining their daily operations. How often are we trying to just type out an email that sounds professional? AI can also be utilized for building designs and floor plan layouts, optimized for functionality, aesthetics, or sustainability. That's my very basic introduction to AI. Let me know what you think, where things are heading with AI in the future. Who are the big players that might be an opportunity to invest in at this point? Anyway, see you later, kids. Love ya.